Here we have a Volkswagen T-Cross. It's a 1 litre TSI R-Line DSG hatchback, 110 PS. Now the orange automobile's a beauty and it has a great spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, silver roof rails, heated front seats, a forward collision warning, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, a dynamic road sign display, and these 18-inch Nevada alloy wheels. The boot is very deep and it is super spacious. The interior has 2-zone climate control, a digital cockpit pro, and an eCall emergency call service. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.